Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Vongole pasta. First, select the freshest clams possible, ensuring they are closed or close when gently tapped. To prepare them, carefully scrub each clam under cold running water, removing any visible dirt. Next, place them in a bowl with cold, salted water. Use about 1 tablespoon of sea salt per liter of water. Let them soak for at least 30 minutes, allowing them to release any sand they might contain. This crucial step guarantees a clean, delightful meal. Begin by pouring 3 to 4 tablespoons of high-quality extra virgin olive oil into a wide pan over medium heat. Add 2 or 3 cloves of thinly sliced garlic and a pinch of red pepper flakes, or a small fresh chili, for a subtle kick. Sauté these ingredients gently for about 2 minutes until the garlic becomes fragrant and translucent, but never burned. Then, pour in about 100 milliliters of dry white wine, allowing it to bubble and reduce for approximately 1 minute. While your sauce simmers, cook your chosen pasta, like spaghetti or linguine, in a large pot of generously salted boiling water. Cook it until it's very al dente, which means it should be slightly firm to the bite, about 2 minutes shy of the full cooking time. Using tongs, transfer the partially cooked pasta directly into the pan with your clam sauce and the opened clams. Add about 100 milliliters of the starchy pasta water, which will help create a beautiful, emulsified sauce. Continue to toss the pasta with the clams and sauce over medium heat for 1 or 2 minutes, allowing the pasta to absorb all those wonderful flavors. The starchy water will combine with the olive oil to form a luscious, light sauce that coats every strand. Finally, stir in a handful of freshly chopped flat-leaf parsley, adding a vibrant freshness and color. Serve your delicious Vongole pasta immediately in warm bowls, perhaps with a final drizzle of good extra virgin olive oil.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.